Okay, in this video I want to talk again about stock manipulation, um, how it's going to happen based on the commands you give the computer. This is Google's share for the 18th of October. Something went wrong. They released certain information early and the market was inundated with sell orders and the computers took off, went haywire. Finally, it actually was officially stopped trading for an hour and a half. That's why there's no graph line right here. See that? So it's not as if they weren't even open for trade. That's what that gap means. They closed for trading temporarily for an hour and a half. Now, right, but during this time, people were still placing orders through their broker firms, saying sell, sell, sell. You know, I don't know if it's going to go down any further. I've already lost $50. Now, look, if you had 1,000 shares in this, and you lost $50 per share, you already lost $50,000. So people are panicking here, all right? They want to stop their loss. So if they don't set their order right, however, if they just sell for market, they are giving the computer a wonderful ticket here. Because what the computer do now the volume is down here, okay? At this point right here, 833,000 trades took place. Now, what if the computer could recognize that there was someone who wants to sell, but the person said, I don't sell for anything less than $6.95. Excuse me. How much is this? $6.94.15. Don't sell for anything less than this. Okay, but he's willing to sell at that price. Now, what if there's someone else that's saying, I want you to sell, but it's a limit and a stop. Don't sell below $6.98. So these are open orders now, okay, but they're stopped. You have to get that price up there, okay. So as long as you actually, now they're not going to show it here, but here's someone that wanted $693.50 for it. If the computer knows it can legitimately match orders, it's going to have to drop a little bit to do this, but to legitimately match orders that are out there. Now, the orders that it has to have are stop orders. People that want to sell at a certain price, and not anything below that. Okay, well, it's going to go ahead and fill those orders, but it's going to climb to do it. All right. And if it knows that it has an order waiting right here to sell at 700. Okay. So let's say someone said, well, I think if a stock ever falls below 700, I need to sell it. If that person put as a stop, then right at this point, Google cannot sell it. Because he said, look, if it goes below 700, don't sell at all. But if it's right at 700, do sell. Or maybe he said start selling at 710, but stop at 700. That's probably more like what happened. Okay, so they put a stop at 700. The market might be able, the computer at these brokerage firms. For simplicity, let's just think of one large computer at one large firm, but it's more than one doing this. They may be able to stage the sales legitimately to get the price back up to right here, to 693. No, excuse me, to 700. Okay, so what if they know they can do that, and they know everyone's saying sell, sell, sell. You know, they have so many sell orders right here just at market. Guess what? If they even have one that wants to sell at 690 as a stop, they make that sale. That's the new market price, and then they buy, say, 200,000 shares. Okay, and they just wait and they sell the 200,000 along with others right here. Well, that's 166, but maybe. Maybe it's 100,000 or something like that. Maybe they'll sell it somewhere up along the way right here, and they will make a lot of money right here, if they realize they can do that legitimately. They themselves will buy up the shares. The computer will, and sell it off again right here, or right here, and right here, and right here until and they're going to make a profit off this. So it's very hard for the computers to let their brokerage firms lose money on this, but they are going to manipulate the growth legitimately to do it, or the graph results as a product of their manipulation. They're making a profit, but are you? That's the big question.